I also received this ceiling fan for reviewing purposes. It comes with everything you need to install it. So let's take everything out of the box. Here we've got the controller and the receiver. Here installation parts. This for the ceiling fixture. You can set it at 2 different lengths, which is nice. This is part of the ceiling fixture. This is a main unit. When you take it out of the box, it has a industrial design, which is quite nice. So let's install it in here. I'm gonna put it in the roof. So come on. Okay guys, so now it's ready. You can select up to 6 different speeds, which are really potent, and turn on the light, change the temperature and the intensity. You can lower it and dim it, or make it brighter, which is really nice. So you can see you can also reverse the motor, so you can use it even on a winter, which is really nice. It starts sucking air instead of throwing it, and you can program it up to 8 hours, which is really nice. Okay, so as you can see, it's really good looking. It's amazing industrial finish with the woods and everything. It looks amazing, and I would recommend it. See ya.